Hello guys, welcome to Master G Tutorials. I am Apurv and this is our tutorial number 21. In this tutorial we are going to learn about recursion. So recursion is a method of calling a function within itself. That is, if a function definition contains a function call, that is if a function call itself, then it is known as recursion. A recursive function must contain a base condition upon which it should return the value when the condition is fulfilled, otherwise it may give some error. So in this video we are going to calculate LCM of two numbers. LCM, as we have learned in our primary classes, known as lowest common multiple. So I am taking two variables n1 and n2 for the user to give input, and a variable n so as to store the value of the LCM. Now we are taking the input, enter number, scanf function is used here for the input. You can see I am taking two inputs using a single scanf statement. This is the way to take multiple inputs. Now my function in this video is designed such that the greater parameter must be sent before, that is first variable is greater, should be greater while calling the function. So I have used a if block. Now LCM n1 comma n2. Now if you have known, that is if you understand, this is a call by value function. We are passing the copies of the variables. So this is calling of the LCM function, return 0. So this is our main function. Now we have to define the LCM function. Now making a function named LCM. So I have written integer LCM because the return type will be a integer. As you can see, I have stored the return value of LCM in L variable, which is an integer. Now I'm taking a static integer value variable. Now static keyword is used when you want a variable that have no copies to be created. That is, during the whole execution, temp named variable will not be copied. It will have only the copy which is made at first. So I am finding the value of LCM by increasing a variable value, that is temp. So I will increase the value from 1 to the LCM. So as soon as I get a number which is divisible by both of the numbers, that is a and b, we are going to return from the function. And if we don't get, we increase the value and call the function again. This is the basic logic behind the LCM function here in this program. Suppose our function is called for the first time, then the temp value is 1. So 1 percentage b is not equal to 0 if I have given some value like 10 and 15, and it is also not divisible by a. So let's run the program and see if it works. And let's take two number 12 and 36, and the LCM of two numbers is 36. So our program ran correctly without any errors. So guys, this is recursion. You can also use recursion for factorial, which is a very common example. And thank you. If you have any doubts, you can Just write in down in the comments section.